Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. This is Umar from Tutorials Hub, and in this video we will be talking about how to add products to TikTok Shop affiliate marketing. Now, before we dive into the video, there is a link in the description of this video using which you can now officially donate to our channel. So, how to actually add products to TikTok Shop affiliate marketing. Basically, it is pretty simple. You can publish it using your Printify. So what you can do is simply go to my products page on your Printify account and then click on edit design to detail the product description, um, tags and publishing settings. So set up your shipping for TikTok store by enabling free shipping. And yeah, so basically you can use your Printify to incorporate your products, so you can add its description, its let's say tags, and all these publishing settings are easily available using Printify. So I really highly recommend you using that. And yeah, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and head over to the link in the description of this video using which you can now officially donate to our channel. So it is going to be super amazing if you do that. With that being said, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.